Whoa, what up? What's that? You already know the drill. You see the black box, see the gold logo. You know what it is already. It's the Air Jordan 9 Retro Black and University Red. Looking at the box, plain box. We ain't gonna dig too deep into the box, but it come with the white paper with the gold 23s all throughout the paper. But enough of that, man. Let's get to what we came here to see. Here it is, the Air Jordan 9 Retro in the Bred colorway. I'm gonna tell y'all straight out the gate, me personally, this is a definite cop for me. You know what I'm saying? The colorway alone, the classic OG colorway. When I say OG colorway, I don't mean colorway that came on these shoes. I mean a classic Jordan colorway, that black and red. You know what I'm saying? So let's take a look at the shoe, man. You know, on the bottom, you see the red Jumpman. You know, they got a couple of little accents of red sprinkled throughout. Right here, you see this smooth leather. On the bottom, you see this patent leather. On the back, you got this Jordan Jumpman with the globe and the 23 in black. Got the black pull tab, pretty sturdy. It's a typical 9, man, but it's a dope 9, in my opinion. Now looking at the front, see you got the Air Jordan in red on the tongue. You see that mesh all throughout the tongue. See that smooth leather on the front. I'm not sure how to do on this toe box. Might crease, I don't know, but we'll see. I'm looking at the bottom of the shoe. I never knew this what language this is, but it says Canamanita, Talapita, and Letatiza. Yeah, there you go. You got 1994, something else. You got the red Jumpman and the 23 in the back. You got that hard shank plate, or whatever you call it. Now let's talk about this shoe, man. Now this is a dope shoe, man. I mean, I'm feeling this. When I saw the pictures, I was feeling it. But when I saw them in hand, I was like, damn. These bitches clean, I got to have them. So guess what? I got them. Anyway, on the inside, you got this black midsole with like a dark red Jumpman. I know you can't really see it. My camera tripping. I'm working with a new camera. So, gotta excuse me until I master this beast. You hear me? But, anyway, man, looking at the shoe, man, this black, this stealth, this gangster, I'm loving this look. You know what I'm saying? I'm a fan of the black shoes, dark shoes. Not too much going on, real gangster. And looking at the other shoe, everything's identical. You know, there's no differences. Well, I had a little piece of something on the bottom. That's the only difference. But nah, man, both of these shoes, they the same. I mean, I think it's dope, man. You know, I don't know how it's gonna do with the sales or whatever, but it don't even matter to me, man. I got my pair, I'm good. Speaking of my pair, man, look, hang around to the end of the video, man. I'm gonna show y'all on foot. You know, I'm gonna try to work this new camera and let y'all see, man. You know, let me know in the comments, man, what you think about the kicks, man. You're planning on copping, you're gonna pass, you got them already, let me know what's up. And also, man, let me know what y'all think about this new camera. I'm gonna slam that nifty 50 on there and do the on foot. You know what I'm saying? So let me know what y'all think, man. But let me say a little something else too, man. See these dudes that be coming in the comments, man, talking all this crazy shit like, I don't know what kind of shit some of you cats on, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, say, bro, I'm not gonna be on the internet going back and forward, arguing with nobody. You know what I'm saying? So, man, keep that shit to yourself, man. You know what I mean? Get money, man. Get money, bro. But yeah, it's a dope shoe. I'm feeling it. I want to thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, follow us on Instagram at PeddlersAir504 and the Sneaker Peddler. Now check out this on foot, and I'ma holler back.